All right, you guys, so now it's time to use Eliminator. You know, last year I used Specticide. I bought this last year. It was on clearance. And we have this bee infiltration over here. So let me zoom in for y'all. So y'all see that area? A whole lot of bees are coming into my house. And that is unacceptable. So it's time to say goodbye, and it's going to be a little war out here. Yep. They're going crazy right now. Yeah, go in there, buddy. Go ahead. They're hesitating to go in. They are hesitating to go in. Yeah, okay. Dang, it's like 5 of them? Sheesh. Now I gotta go in the house. I don't know if they're gonna last. Hopefully they don't know where the spray is coming from. It's not really preventing them. Oh yeah, we catching them. We're catching them. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting attacked. Eliminator, Walmart. If you can find it on Amazon, get it on Amazon. Just get the bees out of your house. I'm trying to catch them all at once. All right, they're panicking right now, and I'm not trying to get too close. So I'll get back with y'all after I spray a couple of more times. All right, you guys, so I went back here last night and I put the bug zapper back here, but I forgot to put the extension cord on it. So if you see, look at all of these bees, you guys. Golly, look at that. Jeez Louise. I forgot to hook up the bug zapper. Dang, and I gotta figure out how I'm going to get over there. So I got my extension cord. Sheesh. Oh, I don't want no problems. Not yet. Oh, okay. It's on site. If y'all don't know hood lingo, y'all figure out what on site mean. All right, let me try to get past these bees. I just grabbed this. Yo, it is a lot of bees. Dang, I don't know if I'm gonna get past them. Dang. All right, all I gotta do is hook up. All right, I see you. All right, all I gotta do is get my Walmart bag right there and hook it up. But it's a lot of bees right there. Yeah, boy, when I hook it up, they are going to be dead. All right, you guys, I'll get back with y'all after I figure out how I'm going to get this thing hooked up. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and plug her in. We hear the fireworks. Let's see if we hear any zapping. No zapping yet. Let me walk to the other side. Y'all thought 4th of July was over, didn't y'all? Yeah, I hooked that zapper up. They getting zapped. They finding their way around the zapper. They are smart. Oh, they getting popped. Finding their way around, right? But when they find their way around, I come at them. Startle them up a little bit. Oh shit, I don't even got y'all. Yeah, there you go. Come on, keep going in there. Oh, we got another one. Oh, we got him. Oh, we got that one good. I hope y'all enjoying this little show. If y'all have this same type of problem, then hopefully this will help y'all. I try to go inside the house and look for them. Ooh. Sound like machine guns going on. Link will be in the description of all zappers y'all need. They finding their way around the zapper. And I give them a little bit. Oh, nope. We didn't go around. Yeah, y'all thought 4th of July was over, didn't y'all? Oh, he coming. Oh, he made it past. Nope, he didn't make it. All right. Let me check in another 30 minutes. Sorry for the camera going crazy. There's a whole lot of bees over there. Y'all see all of them? Oh, one flew over my head, okay. These dang on bees are smarter than I thought they was. They're not going through the zapper. Not even one. They figured out the system. I'll come up with a different plan. All right, you guys, so these bees are outsmarting me. What I have done was found some honey, and I put honey in the trap, and hopefully they get the honey. And if not, if this fails, then I will just close the holes and trap them in the house, and then they will die.